Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve this maths expression which is 4 plus 32 divided by bracket 5 minus 3 bracket close to the power 3. So here, can you tell me the answer for this question before I do? So let's solve this expression. So here 4 plus 32 which is 36 divided by 5 minus 3 times 2 cube. Then 36 divided by 5 minus 3 which is 2 times 2 cube. So here 36 divided by 2 which is 18 divided by 2 power 3. So here 18 times 8 which is 144. So if you think answer is 44 then you are absolutely wrong. This is the wrong answer. So write the question once again. 4 plus 32 divided by bracket 5 minus 3 2 cube. So here let's solve once again and find the value for this expression. So 4 plus 32 divided by 5 minus 3 which is 2 times 2 cube. So 4 plus 32 divided by 2 times 2 power 3 is 8. 4 plus 32 divided by here 2 into 8 which is 16. So 4 plus 32 divided by 16. 16 twos are 32. So here comes 2 which is 6. So this is the right value or wrong value. So this is the wrong value for the expression. Because according to PEMDAS rule, PEMDAS, order of operation which is PEMDAS. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A addition, S subtraction. So we are going to solve the expression according to PEMDAS rule. So write the question which is 4 plus 32 divided by 5 minus 3 to cube. So here you can see parenthesis is there, exponent is there, then division and addition. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we'll solve this parenthesis part. To solve this parenthesis part, then next we'll solve this exponent. So 4 plus 32 divided by here 2 times, then we'll solve this part. So here comes 8. Then next, here addition, division, multiplication is there. So as you know, division, multiplication both have equal priorities. Therefore, go from left to right. First, we'll solve this part. In PEMDAS rule, one thing you have to remember, this multiplication division both have equal priorities. Therefore, go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. Therefore, first we'll solve this division part. So 4 plus 32 divided by 2 which is 16 times 8. So 4 plus 128 which is 132. So our final and correct value is 132.